If you love slim phones and still want a perfect premium experience, you're in for something exciting. According to a fresh leak, Apple is planning a major upgrade to the display of the standard iPhone 17 and the new iPhone 17 Air. On top of that, all iPhone 17 models are expected to come with a new version of the Dynamic Island interface. With these changes, Apple might really give buyers a reason to upgrade this year. According to multiple reports, Apple is preparing to make significant changes to the design of the iPhone 17 and iPhone 17 Air. One of the most exciting updates is related to the display. A popular tipster from China, known as Digital Chat Station, has revealed that the standard iPhone 17 and the new iPhone 17 Air could come with ultra-thin bezels around the screen. These bezels are expected to be as slim as those seen on the iPhone 16 Pro, which Apple claims have the thinnest bezels ever used on an iPhone. This small but important change could make the new iPhone, especially the Air model, look more modern, sleek, and high-end, something many users will appreciate, especially those who care about aesthetics. But that's not all. Another major change expected across the entire iPhone 17 lineup is an updated version of the Dynamic Island. If you remember, Apple introduced Dynamic Island with the iPhone 14 Pro, and since then it has become a signature part of the iPhone's design. Now, Apple seems to be giving it a fresh, new look. Some earlier leaks had suggested Apple was working on a smaller version of the Dynamic Island. However, as the launch date gets closer, it now seems more likely that this smaller version won't be ready this year and may instead arrive with the iPhone 18 series in 2026. By the way, do you prefer Dynamic Island or a pinch-hole camera cutout? Feel free to share in the comments below. You can also join our Telegram channel for exclusive leaks. The link is available in the description.
One of the most talked about devices this year is the iPhone 17 Air. This is expected to be a brand new model that will replace the iPhone Plus version. The iPhone 17 Air is said to be extremely thin and lightweight, possibly making it one of the thinnest iPhones Apple has ever made, with just 5.5 mm thickness. This could attract users who prefer a sleek design over a bulky build, and it might stand out as one of the most stylish phones in the entire lineup. Samsung tried this with its Galaxy S25 Edge, but things are not looking great for the Samsung Slim edition. According to news from South Korean site The Elec, Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge sales are underwhelming, forcing Samsung to cut back production. Let's hope Apple doesn't have to face the same disappointment. As for the launch date, Apple is expected to unveil the iPhone 17 series between September 8 and September 11 this year. While the official date hasn't been confirmed yet, it should be announced very soon. With so many new changes and features rumored, there is a lot to look forward to. Whether you are interested in a new design, better performance, or simply love slim phones, the iPhone 17 lineup might be worth the wait. What are your thoughts about the iPhone 17 series? Will you buy iPhone 17 Air? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel for more early tech with fun updates. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.